Hi there guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. First, what you need to do is to click on the chat button on your left side. Then you need to choose simply for the friend or the group chat that you want to pin it, for example this one, and then you need to go on more, and now you will have the option for pinning the conversation. But if you don't have it, like me, follow me to fix this problem. First of all, you need to make a screenshot on this section. After that, go on your profile page and go on settings. Take a look down and scroll down. Go on I spotted a bug. After that, go on profile and then add attachment. Make sure that you add the screenshot and type here what is the problem. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you soon guys.